All right, guys, welcome back to the hobby farm. Today I have to take care of some things for the insurance company. They come out and did like their yearly audit on the house or whatever, but they want me to put railings on these stairs and the ones over there. Now these stairs have been up for probably 5 years and they've never said anything about it, but apparently now it's a problem. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some railings on these. I got some sawdust to unload and a few other things we'll probably get into. So let's get started on these railings. There's one set. These are just temporary, so insurance company wants them, I guess. I don't know. It's something every year with them. I gotta, I guess, trim a branch or something off up there. I don't know what it is, but it's definitely something every year. So I got one more set to put on over there, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, here's this finished product. I only need to put one railing on here because we don't use this very much, and it's just a direct stairs. So that's it for that. Now, as far as the limbs go, I'm wanting to say it's got to be that limb. I don't know, you guys can't really see it. The limb right there. I don't know. I'm assuming that's the limb he wants cut. So that's gonna be for another day. The next project we got to do is unload the sawdust, and I'll be done for tonight, because by that time I will lose my daylight. So let's get the truck backed up to the barn and get the stuff unloaded. Cows are getting hungry. Whew. Whew. Those things are about 140 pounds a piece, maybe 130, something around there. So we go through like 14 of those every 2 weeks. And it's not dried sawdust, it's from a pallet company. So the wood typically isn't dried. So it's not a big deal, though. It's still pretty absorbent. Sorry, I'm trying to catch my breath. I think all the stuff I do, I'd be in shape, but I'm not. This sawdust we get from an Amish pallet company, and you know, it's not dried sawdust. It's still damp, but it's not super damp. It's still absorbent. But for $4 a bag, I'm gonna get 14 of them every 2 weeks. That's not bad. Sawdust by the bed around here, dried, kiln dried sawdust. I mean, you can have $50 to $100 in a bed of sawdust, and you're not getting as much because it's dried. So we'll just go with that. It works just fine. So I'm gonna feed the cows, and my night's over. I wanted to get to some electric and a lean-to, put some lights up, but I'm losing daylight pretty quick, so I think I'm gonna call it a night. So if you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up, please. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm looking at my analytics and I got around 60,000 views, but only 440 subs. So there's a lot of people watching my videos, but nobody is subscribing. Maybe it's me, maybe it's my content, I don't know. But I'm slowly getting subs. And like I said, if you're not subbed, please think about subscribing. I'll catch you guys later.